Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper Itumeleng Khune is said to have apologized profusely after he was reported to have arrived at training drunk last week. The former Bafana captain felt bad about what happened. According to the informant, Khune penned an emotional message to everyone at the club where he spoke about what led to him coming to training drunk. The veteran keeper is said to be under suspension at Chiefs and he is due to appear before the club's disciplinary committee. A source said he knows that he disappointed a lot of people with what he did and why he feels very bad about the whole situation. Therefore, there are lots of people who look up to him, especially young players at the club, and for someone like him to do what he did was just unexpected. He has apologized to everyone, especially the players, because he knows that he let them down as a senior player. He is apparently going through a lot, but that's not an excuse to behave the way he did. He knows that he is supposed to be a good example on and off the field. There will be a big punishment coming for him, but he said he is ready to face anything. I just hope that he deals with whatever issues that he is facing because the club still needs him. So now it's all about waiting to hear from the disciplinary committee and to hear if there will be any further suspension, which I doubt will be the case. This is according to the Mgosi squad, where a source shared that he knows that he disappointed a lot of people with what he did and he feels very bad about the whole situation. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.